Hi, and welcome back to Queen's Humble Kitchen, where I consider myself a queen, and every one of you ladies should as well. Today we have a fairly simple dish to make. It is going to be a chicken and mushroom baked potato. I already have some potatoes baking in my oven, and we're just going to do the meat and potatoes part of the rest. So as you see right here, I've cubed up some portions of chicken. Again, this was chicken breast that I used, but you can use whatever portions of the chicken that you can get some nice cubes from. Maybe if you have chicken thighs or a chicken leg and you can cut the meat off of that, you can use that as well. So, and then I also have, this is Swiss cheese right here, and these are my freshly sliced mushrooms that we're going to use. I'm going to take the plastic off of that, and then I sliced up some fresh garlic. Of course, this is my normal garlic salt, and these are some dried chives. This is my peanut oil, and today also we're going to be using some dried onion flakes inside this dish. So let's get started. We're going to take our chicken and put it over here, and oh, let me not forget, in this pot, this is my secret cheat ingredient. I have, this is regular canned cream of mushroom soup heating up. And so we're going to use that in our dish as well. And as a matter of fact, it's already heated. I'm going to turn it off. This is an electric stove, so it's going to keep my food nice and warm for me. So let's start by heating up our oil. The pan is already heating. As I was talking to you, I turned it on to heat it up. And I'm going to turn up my heat a little bit. I think I mentioned to you guys before, I like to heat my pan up really high and then taper down the heat as needed. So I'll set this over here, and then I'll get my tongs. And I think I can actually start putting my chicken in here. Yeah. Put it all in there. Oh, there's a piece that doesn't want to come off. Okay, I got it off. And I'm going to move it around in this oil. It's starting to try to stick to the bottom of my pan. And I'm going to put my seasonings in there while it's still not all of the way cooked, so that flavor can get saturated inside of the meat. So let me get over here and get my seasoning. And I'm going to, this is about a full tablespoon of the onion flakes. So I'm going to use all of that. And then I'm going to use this, this is another full tablespoonful of dried chives. Use all of that. And then I'm going to use all of my freshly sliced garlic, which I cut up just one portion of a garlic clove. And so I'm going to use all of that. And a little bit of my garlic salt. And then, of course, my freshly sliced mushrooms. So, I'm going to mix all of these up together with this, this is peanut oil I used again, like I did with most of the other dishes that I made, and that's because I found some peanut oil that was on sale, and so we've been using that. But like I mentioned before, you can use any kind of oil with your dishes, you know, if you can't afford peanut oil, use whatever kind of oil you can afford, because I would do the same, of course. And this is all cooking up very nicely, and it's extremely aromatic, of course. with all of that garlic in there, the garlic salt and the garlic, fresh garlic cloves that I cut up. And you want to make sure that the mushrooms get a chance to cook as well. You don't want any undercooked mushrooms. You want the mushrooms to be flavorful, so we don't want to overcook the mushrooms, but we do want them cooked. And then those chives, they bring out an aroma as well. You can smell both onion and garlic in this dish. And so at this point, it looks ready, but I like my food to sweat just a little bit. So I'm going to turn this off. And I'm going to put a top on this for a few minutes while I get the potatoes out of the oven. And I'll be right back with you. And so we are back. And we've gotten our potato out of the oven, as you can see. And we've prepped it for our toppings. And let's check on our chicken and mushrooms. Oh yes, they've sweated it out very well over here. And our creamed soup is ready. And so we're going to get our plate. And let's top it with a slice of this Swiss first. Okay. That's nice. And our potato is very hot. And then now, let's get some of our chicken and mushroom mixture. Let's get it on there. It's going to try and fall off, but you push it back on there if it does. Okay, and it's okay for it to fall over to the side because you're going to eat it all. Believe me, you're going to eat it all. And I'm going to put the top back on this. Now let's try. You see that? Can you see that heat coming off of there? And it's going to melt that cheese up. And let's stir this pot. And like I said, this soup is still very hot as well, which we want because we want it to help melt our cheese. And so now we're going to top the chicken and mushroom mixture with the cream of mushroom soup. And I added a little water to my soup because I didn't want it too thick. Like I said, this is just regular canned soup. And I don't know if you can see, but this is all melting down very well. And I'm going to bring it over here and set it down. And like I said, this is just a quick dish that you can make as long as you have time to heat up some potatoes. You can either pop them in your microwave or you can put them in your oven. I put mine in the oven. And you cook up some chicken and mushrooms really quick. It only took me like, what, 5 minutes to cook the chicken and mushrooms. And the same time you're heating up your cream of mushroom soup. And then you have, voila, a gourmet chicken and mushroomed potato. Enjoy.